Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel RS Computer Solutions. Today in this video I am going to show you how to clear all cache in Windows 11. Clearing all cache in Windows 11 can help free up space and improve system performance. Below are the steps to clear various types of cache on Windows 11. Number 1. Clear temporary files, including cache, using Disk Cleanup. Press Windows key +S and type Disk Cleanup. Select Disk Cleanup from the search results. Select the drive C and click OK. In the Disk Cleanup window, check the boxes for temporary files, downloaded program files, recycle bin, and other items you wish to clear. Click OK and then select Delete Files to confirm. Number 2. Clear system cache using storage settings. Press Windows key +I to open settings. Go to System. Click Storage. Under Storage Management, click on Temporary Files. Check the boxes for temporary files, thumbnails, delivery optimization files, and other cache options. Click Remove Files to clear the cache. Number 3. Clear prefetch files. Press Windows +R for Open Run dialog box. Type prefetch and hit Enter. Select all files and delete them. Number 4. Clear Windows Update cache. Stop Windows Update service. Press Windows key +R, type service.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down to Windows Update, right-click, and choose Stop. Delete update files. Open File Explorer and navigate to Download folder from Software Distribution folder. C:\/ Windows /SFTWA redistribution /download. Delete all files inside the Download folder. After delete, go back to the services.msc window, right-click Windows Update, and choose Start. Number 5. Clear DNS cache. Open Command Prompt, press Windows key +R, type CMD, and hit Enter. Flush DNS. Type ipconfig/flush DNS in the command prompt and press Enter. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.